Jaguar XJ40 began life back in 1972 with a vision to replace the Series 2 XJ by 1977. Various styling models were constructed during 1973, but the somewhat conservative styling regressed as interference from British Leyland and rival designs from Bertone and Pininfarina confused the Jaguar design language. The final design was hardened in 1979. Jaguar XJ40 launched in September 1986 at the Paris Motor Show, with volume production commencing in 1987. The model was available with a 2.9 litre straight 6 or 3.6 litre AJ6 engineering with ZF4 HP22 4-speed automatic or Getrag 265 5-speed manual transmissions. No V12 engine option was available until it was released in February 1993 as a 6-litre V12 with 4-speed automatic transmission. Between 1986 and 1992, Jaguar XJ Series Three production continued as demand remained strong for the V12 engine. During 1989, the 3.6 AJ6 engine was enlarged and enhanced to become a 4-litre engine. The same design, but with a shorter stroke, was available as a 3.2-litre engine,